Welcome back, Team Cuisine. I'm going to be making some pressure cooker neck bones, or neck bones in a pressure cooker, whatever you want to do. The neck bones have been cleaned completely off, and I'm just going to put this saison packet, one of these packets in it. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I love these little packets. It gives it your food so much flavor. It doesn't matter if it's vegetables or meat. It gives it so much flavor. I love it. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of this on top. And this is going to be easy. I'm telling you. This is going to be really easy. I have some onion powder here. We have some adobo. I have some Mrs. Dash here. And then I have some liquid smoke. And that's going to give these neck bones some smoky flavor. Now that I have seasoned the meat, I'm going to go ahead and take this McCormick brown gravy. It's the less sodium for me. But I'm going to mix, I have 2 packets. And the recipe calls for 1 packet with 1 cup of water. So I have 2 cups of water. And the reason why I'm using this is because, like I said, I'm going to make some rice. So I'm going to pour this over top of the neck bones inside of the pressure cooker. And hopefully it's going to give me a gravy that can be poured over the rice. Now, if the 2 cups of water don't really cover the neck bones, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little stock to it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just mixing this mix around along with the water. Get it all mixed around. Okay, now I have my pot that goes into my pressure cooker. It's all nice and clean. I have already seasoned my meat. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to place the neck bones inside of the pressure cooker. Not hard at all. And on here, it is just some of that liquid smoke. So I'm just going to pour that on top. And we already have our gravy mix that I made up. And I'm just going to pour that on top of the neck bones. And that's what it looks like. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use 1 cup of stock. So stay right here, Team Cuisine, while I go get me a cup of stock. Back, I have me some chicken broth. And I'm just going to pour 1 cup of chicken broth. Not a lot. So I'm going to pour that in there. And now we're going to take this over to my pressure cooker. Okay, everyone, now I'm over here at my pressure cooker, and I just wanted to show you how much liquid I have and how much covered these neck bones are. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit my pressure cooker button, and I'm going to put these neck bones on for 40 minutes. So it starts at 30. I'm going to turn these to 40 minutes. And it starts on its own. And you'll see the dial. It starts to go like this. Just around and around. And what that means is that it's building pressure. It has to build pressure. You hear my puppy in the background. It has to build pressure first. And sometimes that can take up to maybe 10 minutes. It really depends. And then once it finished building pressure, then this clock will start to go down and you know that your food is cooking. So we'll be back in 40 minutes. Okay, so the neck bones are done. It's been about 40 minutes. Nice and tender. We have our gravy in there. Don't want to get too close because it's steam coming up and then you won't be able to see. Looking good.